We're gonna make some Scotcheroos. We'll start out here. We need 6 cups of Rice Krispies. We'll set them to the side. I want them ready so that when this is warm and liquidy, we can mix it in really quick. We're also going to get the pan ready. We're going to butter it up just a little bit. Try to keep it from sticking too much. We need 1 cup of sugar, cup of kayro, and a cup of peanut butter. I'm just going to do it in 30-second intervals in the microwave. Once it's liquidy, then we can just put the Rice Krispies in it. And we stick it in the pan before it gets cold. So here it took about 1.5 minutes. You want to dump some of these in and stir. Probably should have used a bigger bowl. Now we gotta press this all down. Make sure it's good and compact. So here we're gonna make the topping for this. 1 cup of butterscotch chips, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and just a bit of butter. We're gonna put it in the microwave in 30-second increments to get it all melted. And there we put it in for about 1:40. And we'll be back after it cools off to slice it up and dry it. And there we have them.